Hi guys, I showed you I'd got this air power engine car kit. I wonder what order you're supposed to read those words in. I'd have called it an air engine car. Anyway, the kit is half assembled in the box. I picked it up in a charity shop, but I'm probably going to have to disassemble it and go back to some fairly early point to check that everything's been put in all right so far. So see there's some screws in the bottom of the box there. And some bits that look like they might be, don't know, little bits. I do hope everything's there. Oh, this is going to be very disappointing. I will just say, I don't know if I said it at the beginning, I meant to. This is not a tutorial. I'm not trying to show people how to make this. Got some air pressure in there. Yeah, so we're getting some air pressure. I'll carry on, even though it may not be perfect. Short of a screw. It's all empty. I need to go and find a screw like that. Random screws recovered from all sorts of things. That one looks pretty much identical. Run out of screws. There's definitely not enough there. 5 screws, we've got 3. Okay, I need a load more screws. Oh, here we go. We haven't got the shafts, the axles. Oh, you're kidding me. I've got that far and we've got no axles to put the wheels on. Front wheels are all right. It's the back wheels, the important ones that we can't do. No idea what I'm going to do about that. Missing axles. It's got to be a hexagonal shaft so that it grips it properly. Well, I've done a real temporary bodge for an axle. I've got a bicycle spoke which is too thin, and I've wrapped tape around the end of it just so it grips the inside of the wheel. So we have actually got an axle on there. So I'll see if I can pump it up a bit and get anything out of it. Right, to pump it, this is all we do. It's moved a little bit, but I can hear air leaking. Don't know where, but I can hear it leaking. It's dropping back down again. So where was it leaking? Well, we got a bit of movement, but I'm going to have to try and find where that leak is, aren't I? How disappointing. Right, it's holding pressure a bit better now. The leak was actually the pressure valve seal. They'd put the little red O-ring, we'll call it, the wrong way round, so it wasn't sealing. But as you can see, that needle is going right the way round now. So looks like it might work. There's a bit of water over there because I dumped it in water to find the leak. But we'll pump it up again. So if you watch this arrow or needle go round, that's got us into the green. That should do, because we can only go down the length of my kitchen anyway. So we give a little push to get it going. That worked. Has it got any left? Yes, got plenty left. Well, that's brilliant. After a false start, when I thought it was all going to go wrong horribly, we've got a working air engine powered car. Now I'm happy. I was quite unhappy because we're missing the proper axle, but I fixed that. We were missing lots of screws, but I fixed that. And we only had one valve put in wrong, just that one. All the others were okay. Brilliant. I wonder how far it would go. There'll be a link in my video description to Tom Stanton's video. He converted one of these to radio control. He did a 3D printer bit up here so he could put a bigger bottle on it. Ordinary pop bottle size, 1.5 litre. And that went for ages. But this went for, well, quite a long way. I think if it had steering on it, it would have gone round in circles for ages. Well, I'm really pleased with that now. I was beginning to get disheartened with odd bits missing, but it works, and I love air-powered toys. So there'll be a link to them in the video description as well.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.